Hi, I'm reviewing this pet bed that looks beautiful. However, it actually has very flimsy support. And while my dog loves it, it is not going to last. Look at how non-supportive the head part of, or the resting part is. This is kind of nice, this piece. However, look at my puppy. So the rest of this is very, very flimsy. It's not going to last. I'll probably keep it for the puppy, but knowing that it is really not a solid product in the way of support. It's not firm. It looks like it's supposed to be firm, but this cushion is actually thicker than the surrounding cushion. So if you're looking for something for your dog to rest their head on, that will not work very good at this point because it's going to flatten. So thanks, and I hope it's helpful. And, oh, I forgot. This also is, once it gets tucked underneath here, there's a big gap. No, Teddy. There's a big gap. So there's a lot of room where you're not going to have support. I do not recommend this bed.
So here's the problem. The bottom pillow is fully expanded and tucked into one side of the bed, and I'd say about 3 inches is left on the other side of the bed, so it just doesn't fill the space. And as you can see, the size of the dog fits the bed, but the pillow doesn't. Get in the bed. Here you go. So when he sits down, it has a chance to bunch up even further, and it's just not fitting the bed, even though the dog does. I'd have to replace that pillow.
It's washable. The mat is removable, and it's perfect for us. It's great price, great quality. I'm very impressed.
Super soft. Super plush.